This is the HyperX Quadcast microphone. On the bottom it has a gain dial, which goes from levels 1 to 5 with dot size, and it's very easy to slide. It also has an anti-shock mount to reduce vibration noise coming into the microphone when moved. At the top it has a tap-to-mute sensor. And on the back you can see a dial which has 4 different modes for it: cardioid, stereo, 2-directional, and omnidirectional, which allows you to change where the microphone is picking up sound. Another feature of the microphone is that it has a USB mini port that you use to plug into your computer, and it has a headphone jack that you plug your headphones into to hear live audio. $123 on Amazon, link in the description.